Hi guys, welcome back to my new video. In this video you will learn how to make website using HTML and CSS step by step. In this video we will create a website in which has a logo at the top and a menu bar on the right side, and in the center of a web page there is a title, some text and two buttons. I have added beautiful hover effects on this button. Let's start the video. So open your VS Code, and this is a basic structure of HTML, and this video is title name is how to make a website, and link in style sheets, so style CSS link, and after that create a div. So create a div and class name is background. Okay, so and open style sheets and user inverse selectors, padding 0, margin 0, and font family themselves. Okay, dot background and side in width 100% and height 100 VR. Next we will background image linear gradient, so RGBA in this color code, so it will add color, and copy this color code and paste in right side, and URL and URL tags, and write in file name. Okay, so after that we will write a background size, cover, and background position center. Open Google Chrome and you can see one image on complete web page. Next we will come back HTML file and create another div and class name navbar. Okay, then class name navbar, and inside in h2 tags and class name logo. Okay, and interior. Okay, after that we will add some menu, so I am adding ul and li, then anchor tag and anchor text home. Simply duplicate the line and change the link text, so it will be bedroom and dining and kitchen, and next backyard. So we have 5 links. You can see the logo and link on the web page. So just come back and copy in navbar and go to style CSS and paste in navbar. So that's what used in space from the left and right sides. So width in 85% and margin auto. Okay, and padding 35 pixel and 0, and display flex. Next align item center and justify content space between. Okay, then you can see some space left and right side and main in right side. Now come back and copy in this logo and write it here and width h2 and width in 60 pixel. Not working, so then okay, so only used in h2, that's for not used in logo. Okay, so font size in 40 pixels and font family say UI. Okay, so and color code FFF, and you can see we will come back a HTML file and copy in UL and li text. So in dot navbar UL and li. So list style none, and display inline block, and margin 0 and 20 pixel. Okay, you can see some space between this menu. So just come back, copy again, and neighbor UL li and anchor tag. So text decoration none, and next color code FFF, and text transform uppercase. So you can see some space between this menu, and font size okay 19 pixel. So and next neighbor UL li and anchor li after inside in content, and height 3 pixel, and width 100%, and background in this color code, then position will be absolute, and left 0, left 0. So neighbor UL li this for used in position relative, you can see, and bottom minus 10 pixel. So that's right. Okay, done. So that's for used in hover effect. So this width in 0% and this width in 100%. So you can see. So this width in 0%, that's for used in hover effect. So copy and paste this hover. Okay, so width 100%, and a transition 0.5 second, 0.5 second transition, and you can see this hover effect is access. So just come back HTML file, and after this navbar we will create another div. So let me create one div. Class name is text, and first we will write now title in H1. So the title is design your house, then we will write some text fee tag. So text is subscribe easy tutorials YouTube channel to watch more video. Press the bell icon to get latest updates. Okay, so you can see in this web page. Next we have to change this position. Copy this class name test and write here. So dot test inside width in 100%, and position absolute, and next top 50%, and translate minus 50%. So it will be vertically centered, and text align center, and color white. You can see all this text in the center. Now we have changed this size H1. So dot text H1 inside font size 50 pixel. Okay, and no 70 pixel font size, and margin top in 80 pixel, and user in fee anchor tag. Okay, so dot test fee inside in margin 20 pixel auto and font weight 100 and line height 25 pixel. Now this title looks good and this text fee font size 18 BR line break in this description. Just come back user in BR tag so you can see this small text coming in 2 line. Next will be add 2 button. After this create a div and in this div will be create a first button. So I am using button tags. Type will be button and button text is will be watch more and second is subscribe. Okay, we have 2 buttons. You can see this button on the web page. Okay, you can see. Next we have to come design this button. This button is copy and but paste in this button and so inside in build the 200 pixel and padding 50 pixel and 0 and just align center and margin 20 pixel and 10 pixel, border radius 25 pixel, font weight bold and border 2 pixel, solid in this color code and background transparent and color white, cursor pointer. After that you can see this button looks good. Next we have over effect on this button, so we will come back HTML file. This button will be add span tags, span open or close and copy this span and paste in span and so background in this color code and height 100% and width in 100%, so border radius in 25 pixel and position absolute. Next left 0 and bottom 0 and so pointer position relative and overflow hidden. Now you can see over this button, but button text is not visible and come back z index -1 again see in web page. Okay, so this button is used in hover effect, so dot button hover span, so width in 100% and this span width in 0% and a transition in 0.5 second and dot button over border none. Okay, you can see this website. So beautiful color moving in right side. This button hover effects look very good. Thank you so much. Watch this video.